Hello and welcome to lesson 10 in our Microsoft Excel tutorials for beginners to advanced level. In our previous lesson, we dealt with how to insert new worksheets in Microsoft Excel without any challenge. So in this lesson, we are going to learn how to add tab colors to the various worksheets that we have inserted. These worksheets that we have here, we are going to learn how to add tab colors to all these worksheets for them to look nice. So if you are new to the channel, please make sure that you watch our videos from the beginning to the end. Make sure that you share with your friends. Make sure that you comment on our videos. The next video that you want, you make sure that you inform us so that we'll be able to do that for you. So without wasting much time, let's just continue and add colors to these worksheets that we have inserted here. Alright, so let's start with the first one. So if you want to add a tab color to a particular worksheet in Microsoft Excel, what you need to do is to quickly place your mouse pointer on that particular worksheet. Then you right click on it like this. Then you come to tab color. Please, have you seen it? So immediately you place your mouse pointer on the tab color, then you begin to see the theme colors popping up here. You begin to see all the theme colors popping up here without any challenge. So let's just select the one that we like. Let me select the one that I like to use for armor. So let me just tap on it like this. So let me just leave it. Let me open a new worksheet. So please, have you seen it? Have you seen that the color that we just added to that particular worksheet is appearing there nicely? So it is the same way that you add the tab color to Kofi's worksheet as well. So let me select this color here. Please, have you seen it? Have you seen that the color is just appearing there without any challenge? Okay, so repeat the same thing for Kwesi too. Repeat the same thing for Kwesi. Then finally, worksheet 3. Worksheet 3. So let me select the red or this color. Good. Please, have you seen it? So that is how we add tab colors to worksheets in Microsoft Excel. So let's learn how to reassign new colors to the worksheets. We need to learn how to reassign new tab colors to all the worksheets that we have here. Let's assume that you have given this color to the worksheet and you later want to change it. How will you do it? How will you go about that? So let's quickly come to the first one, which is armor here. Then we tap on it. Then we come to tab color. So let's give it a different color here. Please, have you seen that it has changed from the blue to the red here? So that is how you reassign new tab colors to an already existing worksheet in Microsoft Excel. So let's come to the Kofi 2. Then we come to tab color like this. Select the color that you like. Press enter. Then it has taken effect there. So you come to this one too. Click on it. Press enter. Please, have you seen it? Have you seen that all the colors are just changing? Let's apply the same formatting to the last worksheet here. So we select this color. Press enter. Good. So please, have you seen it? So that is how we assign tab colors to worksheets in Microsoft Excel. That is how we assign tab colors to worksheets in Microsoft Excel. Alright, so we want to do another thing. We want to learn how to assign colors to all the cells that we have here. So I'll just click inside a particular cell. In our previous lessons, I said that the cell in which you are going to work is what we call the active cell. The one that is being surrounded with this green whatever outline is what we call the active cell. The one that is being circled, the one that is being selected with this particular green color is what we call the active cell, the one in which you are going to work, the cell in which you are going to insert a particular data, a particular figure, a particular word, a particular alphabet is what we call an active cell. So let's learn how to assign colors to our active cells. So when you click inside a particular cell like this, you come to this paint bucket or whatever here, the color fill. You come to the color fill or the fill color here to click on the drop down. You click on the drop down, then you see the theme colors popping up as usual. So you select the one that you prefer. Please, have you seen it? So we can still add another theme color to that cell too. So let me just select this here. Please, have you seen it? So that is how we add theme colors to cells in Microsoft Excel. Now let's learn how to change the font styles of all the sheet names here. Let's learn how to change the font styles of all the sheet names here. So what we are going to do is to click on the sheet that we want to work on. So we come to rename here. Then you leave the name like that. That is if you don't want to change the name too. So you come to the home tab. Then inside here, you click on the drop down. So when you click on the drop down, you see a lot of font styles popping up. So you select the one that you like. You select the font style that you prefer to use for that particular worksheet. So just select this one. I mean, I prefer a particular font style. That is the Times New Roman. So I'll select that font style. Then I'll make it bold. Then I can even increase the font size of that particular text or that particular word in that particular worksheet. All right, so please, when you are done with that one, don't forget to save your work. So you come to, let's go to the new worksheet. This is where we are working. So you come to this particular file icon here. Then you come to save. Good. Because this is not our first time saving that work, so we need to click on save. But if this is your first time saving the work, then you click on save as and locate the folder in which you want to save your work like this. Then you select the folder Microsoft Excel tutorials like that. Then you save it with a name. But this is not the first time that we are saving this work, so let's just click on save like this. Then we go. So that is how we change the font styles, the font size, the font colors, and the rest in Microsoft Excel. So we don't want this video to be long. We would like to end it here and continue in another lesson where we are going to learn how to insert tables in Microsoft Excel. So make sure that you turn on the notification bell icon for all. Make sure that you like and share this video with your friends to also benefit from us as we upload that new video on how to insert tables in Microsoft Excel without any difficulty. So thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Foster. I'm the founder and the CEO of the GeForce IT Academy. So let's meet in the next lesson. Bye.